thank you for coming. First of all, this idea of organic products and organic lifestyle is too fascinating. And me being a Gen Z, having a balanced diet is also a struggle for us. So, like, what ways or tips you would say tell us to include more organic products into our eating habits and adopt ways in which we could be more welcoming towards these products? Yeah, that's my question.
I think Yukti, you've asked a really important question, and I think one of the things that I definitely want to tell people out there is let's not be ambitious and go all out and change everything that we are eating overnight. You know, because not everybody is comfortable with this whole idea or the budgets or spending that kind of money. So my suggestion to you is to pick one product first and see if it's making any difference in your life. If you've adopted that, you are seeing the changes, you are convinced that it is actually an investment in you and your family, then you should go ahead with the second, and then the third, and then the fourth. And that's how your kitchen should change. And my recommendation to anyone who would like to understand where you could start is a cooking oil. And the interesting part of edible cooking oils is today that every day you are consuming copious amount of cooking oil in your daily life. You'll be surprised to know that each Indian, there are reports, published studies which state that we are consuming 60 ml of cooking oil per person per day. Now, 60 ml is equivalent to 2 pegs of alcohol. So if you are consuming that much of cooking oil, I would really suggest you could start with cold pressed cooking oils, see the difference in your life, and then move forward. And it's not an expensive product also. So you can easily switch to that and start with that.